Good day, everyone. Thank you for giving your time to listen and see our presentation. This is a project regarding with the bachelor degree that carry on by our student. The title of this project, and we create become a paper. The title is Ride Sharing Your Transportation in Jakarta. The idea of this project will see the problem by the city of Jakarta that every time they will have many traffic jams. Yeah, so this will become the vulnerable as well. So why in this idea we try to make the ride sharing transportation where all the people they can go to other place, moving from one place to another place by sharing their transportation. The student that carry on this project is Giovanni Randikusuma and Afan Rizky Handana. They are from Computer Science Department, School of Computer Science, Bina Nusantara University. And me, myself, Harkoles Lehendrik Spitwanas from Computer Science Department, graduate program, Doctor of Computer Science, Bina Nusantara University. The city of Jakarta is getting more and more congested and crowded by the number and type of vehicles. Lack of public awareness to use public transportation cause this congestion to worsen, especially during rush hour in the morning, before going to work or school, and in the afternoon when returning home. This is also caused by the lack of government of the capital city of Jakarta in providing cheap, safe, and comfortable public transportation. It is not surprising that the Indonesian government has plans to move the capital city of the Indonesian government from Jakarta on the island of Java to East Kalimantan on the island of Kalimantan. Therefore, seeing this severe traffic jam, it is essential to propose an application that can reduce congestion so that drivers who bring this vehicle can share with people around them to travel to work as routine activity during weekday. The model of this vehicle sharing application was designed using use case diagram, and the database design was designed using class diagram. In addition, security issues are also significant considering that people meet in this vehicle sharing application and some bad people may take advantage of it. Therefore, user registration and moderation are essential. It is hoped that this vehicle sharing application will reduce congestion in the capital city of Jakarta and become an example in other cities. We already know transportation is one of the essential elements in human life. And without transportation, it will not be straightforward for humans to carry out their daily life. Of course, smooth transportation will affect social life and improve the community economy, where with smooth and safe transportation, humans as social beings can be fulfilled to stay in touch with each other. And of course, the community's economy will increase when transportation runs safely and smoothly. Therefore, transportation is one of the critical factors for human life, which is endowed as state for social benefit and increasing economic growth and development. In addition, the growth of transportation in big cities can significantly affect people's lifestyle, where the existence of affordable and safe transportation will improve the lifestyle of people who transport. Furthermore, a study states that three aspects of transportation need attention because they have a reasonably significant positive impact on the country: air transportation, intermodal transfer, and urban transportation. All three are crucial and become important considering that transportation affects the social economic sides of the community. In addition, the geographical location of the country also needs to be considered because it also explains the transportation needs in the country which are adapted to the geographical condition of a region. On the other hand, the use of transportation that is not environmentally friendly creates a new problem as waste and environmental pollution, in which case it is important to use environmentally friendly fuels and do not deplete the earth reserves. The use of oil and gas in the mode of transportation causes the content of the earth reserve, such as oil and natural gas, to be depleted, and of course the excessive use of earth reserve will also cause other problems to our earth. The use of environmentally friendly and recyclable transportation fuel is essential and suitable for this earth so that humans no longer need to compete to reduce the content of these Earth's reserves. The use of solar and wind power is the use of recycled and environmentally friendly fuel. And for Indonesia, which is a country located between the equator, sunlight and wind are sources of excessive energy. Of course, oil and natural gas can harm the planet and human life. And transportation consumes much energy and produce greenhouse gas emissions. Imagine how much gas is produced only from private vehicle use every day. This will continue to grow considering that more and more people are interested in owning a private vehicle rather than using public transportation. From the problem above, it is crucial to provide a solution to reduce congestion and save on the use of vehicle as means of transportation, and the solution to this problem is ride sharing. Ride sharing means sharing transportation with foreigners in any transportation in travel activity that is regular trip from home to work and vice versa. This ride-sharing concept helps share transportation costs, and for some people can also find new friends from their trip. There are many other benefits such as not having bother looking for parking space like if using a private vehicle. Sharing this ride can also minimize greenhouse gas emission from transportation by reducing the number of vehicles on the road. For the even who have vehicles to share with, this can be a great secondary source of income by becoming a ride-sharing driver and have a very flexible schedule. Let us say have another career as primary source of income. Meanwhile, passenger or user can save much money by not owning a vehicle, where having a vehicle is a lot of costs that must be secured, such as the cost of vehicle document, maintenance costs, and fuel costs. It is also essential that you keep the vehicle in prime condition and ready to use if you have a vehicle. Of course, it is required money to maintain it. Like this ride-sharing idea, this is much different from paying someone to drive it for you. Besides, the risk for traffic also be reduced and let the experienced driver and traffic every day. In addition, ride-sharing can also make the road a safer place because according to research, drunk drivers are reduced by up to 88% after the ride-sharing application is available. Some countries impose many rules and restrictions on their traditional taxi, while ride-sharing apps like Uber do not have as many restrictions and regulations as traditional taxi. In the next PPT presentation, we have a use case diagram. The use case diagram, this is part of the Unified Modeling Language or UML. This use case diagram usually used to figure out about the business process. So in this case, we have some use case activity. There are 8 primary use case, and we will have one use case extend give rating. So the first, when the user want to use the system, they should do the registration, the sign up, where they should register and enter the data such as email address, name, gender, date of birth, password. So this will become the sign up, and then when they want to use the system, they should do the login. They should enter the email address and password, and the system will check if they enter email address and password are matched with the saving in database. Otherwise, they cannot enter to the system where it is not matched with the saving in the database. And then this is the activity give ride sharing, when the user want to give the sharing to other people, and also they can become a passenger where they can use a ride sharing. And also after they give ride sharing or ride sharing, they can do the transaction where they extend, they have a knob to do the rating. And then after that, they can make a forum where the people, the user in the system, they can question something, or they can share something, or even can answer or comment any information from other user regarding with the forum thread or replay forum thread. And also we have information where the user can read any available information regarding with the sharing transportation. Now we have a class diagram. The class diagram, this is the represent the table of the database, In this case, we design using class diagram. The class diagram the same like use case diagram. This is also part of the UML, Unified Modeling Language, but class diagram specialist only for design the database model. So if we look at this diagram in this PPT file presentation, we have 6 classes such as thread, user, common, write sharing, transaction, and view. So the thread, the user, when they do the registration, they should enter the username, gender, email, date of birth, such as like this. So there's a phone, so they will be entered to the system, and the username and password will be used for the login purpose. And then the thread and the common will be used for the communication for the forum. When the user want to asking something or want to share something, they can make a one record in the thread, including the date, record, and thread. So this has become one to many. And also the user also can give a comment. You will give a comment for every thread, reply, or they can answer any question from other user. So this has become one to many. And also one of thread will have many comments. And the user can do the transactions. The rate sharing, when the user want to rate sharing, they just put the rate sharing care ID, license plate, capacity. And then when the user become a passenger, they should do the registration. The date, they will automatically will create the ID transaction. The date will become the foreign key. The ride sharing, destination, distance, duration, and price. After that, the transaction they can get a review. But this is the option why the user, when after you did the transaction, they can review the transaction or the journey. So this is the class diagram will represent the number table of database. Next, we have UI for the implementation. In this case, we implemented using Visual Studio and MySQL database. So this is the main menu of the application. After that, the user can enter the data when do the registration, such as first name, last name, email, password. And then when they want to use the system, they should enter the email address, password. So like I said, the system will check if the username and password are matched with the saving in database. If they are matched, then they can enter to the system. Otherwise, they will be rejected to use the system, or there will some link that they can show that if they forget for the email, and then they will ask to give the email address, and then the system will send to their password, they remind password, or they can ask to change their password. So after doing the login, the system will give the two opportunity. They will write share someone, or give write sharing. So for those who want to give a sharing, for those who have a car, they want to share their car, they can give sharing, write sharing. Otherwise, if you are passenger, then you can write share to someone. And then if you look at this UI, this is the presentation how the ride sharing page user interface. So they can, when they try to look at the location, there will be to show the nearest available sharing car. So they can waiting it and look at what the number of the car that available near to them. And this is for the UI for the ride sharing page. This is the number of the car. So they can look at in the traveling, they can look at what the next passenger that will be available to join in the car. And then the next user interface, this is for the live chat. For the case that the user want to the conversation with the driver, or driver to the passengers. And this is the information where the people can see the information regarding with the sharing transportation. And this is the thread, yeah, and the reply. So for those who want to asking something or sharing something, they can put the name of the title of the thread and the common thing, and it is the reply. So thank you for listening our presentation. I hope you can enjoy and understand and get a new knowledge regarding with our project. Thank you for listening and have a nice day and see you.